Hello student, already we have completed the trigonometry and similarity chapters on question bank. Now we'll start the new chapter, Pythagoras theorem on question bank. I will explain all the examples in a very simple language. Now let us start. Mathematics part 2 question bank Pythagoras theorem. Now the question number 1a, choose the correct alternative from those given below, 1 mark each. Okay. Yeah. Question number 1. Out of given triplet, which is a Pythagoras triplet? अतिशय सोपा प्रश्न आहे तो. आणि आपल्याला सर्वांचा परिचय असं ट्रिपलेट माहिती आहे. दॅट इज अ 3, 4 and 5. ते हायेस्ट साइड किती आहे तर ती बिगेस्ट साइड इज अ 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. Then you will get 25 is equals to 25. Therefore, the first option, that is option B, is the correct one. परीक्षेला त्याचा आन्सर लिहिताना B त्याचा नंबर टाकणार. That is, here is a 1 या प्रकारे and the answer is 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is a 3 square. इथे कसं होणार, इथे कसं होणार, 10 square is equals to 100 होणार. ते 25 plus 1 is not equal. The 2 square is equals to 2 square plus 2 square. म्हणजे 4 is equals to 4 plus 4 means what? This is not possible. Therefore, पहिलाच आन्सर किती? तर अतिशय इझी क्वेश्चन आहे तो, त्यामुळे त्याला काही जास्त स्पष्टीकरणाची आवश्यकता नाही. ओके, नाउ दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now the question number 2. Out of the given triplet, which is not a Pythagoras triplet? आपल्याला पुन्हा हे देखील माहिती आहे. What is the biggest side? That is a 13. 13th square 169 is equals to 12th square 144 plus 5th square 25. That is a 169 is equals to 144 plus 25. That is equals to triplet I. Next 17th square, that is a 289. 15th square किती येणार तर 225 आणि 8th square 64. That is a 289 is equals to 225 plus 64 and we get 289. Okay. Next, what about here? The 15th square म्हणजे काय? 225 येणार आणि 8th square is equals to 64 plus 49. मग हे this is not possible. Therefore, the option 3, that is 7, 8. This is not the triplet. खालचं देखील ट्रिपलेट आहे. 25 चा स्क्वेअर केला तर 625 is equals to 24 square 576 plus 49 and that is equals to 625. तो देखील ट्रिपलेट आहे. Therefore, what is the answer? That is a 7, 8 and 15. This is not the triplet. Now the next question. Out of the given triplet, which is not a Pythagoras triplet? Okay. That is a 41 square is equals to 40 plus 9. हे देखील येते. Okay. 41 चा स्क्वेअर किती? 1681 येणार तो. Okay. 40 चा स्क्वेअर किती येणार? 1600 plus 81. Then you will get. पुन्हा हा देखील ट्रिपलेट आहे. That is 11, 60 and 61. 61 चा स्क्वेअर किती? 3721 plus that is equals to 3600 plus 121. हे देखील आहे. What about here? This is not the triplet. How it is not triplet? 15 चा जर स्क्वेअर केला then you will get that is a 2, 2, 5. Okay. आणि पुढे 14 चा स्क्वेअर केला it is a 196 and plus 6 square, that is a 46. Then what you are getting here? If we add it, then you will get, that is, here is a 12, 3 and 2, and that is not equals to 225. आणि म्हणून इथे कुठला ट्रिपलेट नाही. Therefore, the C, this is not the Pythagoras triplet. 6, 14 यासाठी तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेशन तुमचे स्क्वेअर्स वगैरे माहिती पाहिजे. आणि हा लास्ट वाला ट्रिपलेट आहे. 10 स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 100, हे 64 plus 36. Then this is the triplet. Which is not the triplet? This is not the. Next question. In right angle triangle, if sum of square of sides of right angle is 169. Sum of the squares of sides of right angle is 169. Then what is the length of the hypotenuse? The length of the hypotenuse, that is a square root of 169, and that is a 13. What is say? म्हणजे ज्या right angle तयार करतात, it's a sum of the squares of these two sides. Okay. What is that? It is a 169, and that is equals to hypotenuse square. Okay. म्हणून जर आपण याचं स्क्वेअर रूट जर घेतलं, then here you will get that is a h is equals to 13. Okay. दोघांच्या squares of the sides is 169, therefore that is nothing but the hypotenuse square, and hence the hypotenuse is a 13. The option correct is, that is a option B is a correct one. Now the next question. Next question देखील easy आहे. A rectangle having length of a side is a 12 and the length of diagonal is 20. Then what is the other side? Okay. Now here if we draw this the rectangle, and what do you say? Its length is 12 and diagonal, this is the diagonal, it is a 20. Then what is the length of other side? That is a 20 square. Then what you will get? Here 20 square is a 400, and that is equals to 12 square, and the length of other side is, suppose that it is a x square, means what? 400 minus 12 square is 144. तुम्हाला स्क्वेअर्स वगैरे याच्यात ते माहिती पाहिजे. सोपं आहे ते. x square is equals to 400 minus 144, and that is 256. If you take the square root, then you will get 16. Okay. Which is other side किती ना? The 16. Then which is the answer? That is option D is the correct one. Okay. Next question. If the diagonal of a square is root 2, then what is the length of each side? आता इथे बघा, if we draw this as a square, okay, and this diagonal is, this is the diagonal, and what is its length? Its length is a root 2, and if I take here, that is a 1 and 1, suppose that this is x, मला ते माहित नाही, स्क्वेअरच्या सर्व साइड्स कशा असतात तर ते सेम असतात. x and x, then what you will get? x square, इथे 90 असणार आहे, x square plus x square, तसं ओरली आहे ते, and it's a diagonal square, means what? Root 2 square, x square plus x square, you will get 2x square, root 2 चा square किती येणार इथे? You get 2, therefore x square is equals to 1, and therefore we'll take plus or minus, त्यातला आपण plus घेणार. Then what is the side? Then each side is a 1. This option कोणता येणार त्यामध्ये? Option C is a correct one. Okay. आणि ओरल पण that is the अजून एक फॉर्म्युला तुम्ही इथे लक्षात ठेवू शकता. The diagonal of the square, okay, diagonal of the square is equals to root 2 into side. What is the diagonals दिले त्याने आपल्याला? root 2 दिले, and this is the root 2 into side. Now what is here? Root 2 get cancelled, and therefore the side is equals to 1. Okay. Therefore the option C is the correct one. Orally answers आहेत ते सर्व. Next question देखील easy आहे. If the length of both the diagonals of rhombus are 60 and 80, then what is the length of the side? If I draw this, the rhombus. Okay. अशा रीते आपण rhombus घेतला. And each side of the rhombus कसे असतात तर ते they are equal and these are the diagonal. Diagonal कसे असतात तर ते दोन्ही एकमेकांचे perpendicular bisector असतात. Okay. And suppose this A, B, C and D. AC diagonal, that's किती length आहे? Suppose it is a 60 and therefore the length of these two are equal and these are also equal. Suppose AC is a 60, then if I take here the point E, their point of intersection, and then what will here? It is a 30. And DB, BD किती आहे तर another whose length is 80, therefore this is the 40. Okay. We want to find out the side of this rhombus. मग 30 चा square किती येणार? That is I will write here AB square is equals to, orally the answer, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Okay. Then what is the value of A? A is a 30 square. Here is a 30 square and BE. B is a 40. 30 square means what? 900. 40 square means what? 1600. And here you will get 2500. AC square. Then what about the AC? AC is a, it's the length of the side of the rhombus is a 50. Then which option is the correct one? What is the question? Then what is the length of the side? Therefore the option B is the correct one. The option B is the correct one. Take the next question. Next question काय दिलं त्याने? If the length of the sides of a triangle ABC are A square plus B square is equals to C square, then what type of that triangle is? Obtuse angle म्हणतो तो, acute angle triangle, equilateral triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle मध्ये काय? ही जी एक साइड असेल, जी मोठी साइड असेल, the square of the biggest side is equals to the sum of the squares of small sides, and therefore C square is equals to A square plus B square, and hence the option D is the correct one by using the converse of Pythagoras. Now next question, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is a 12 centimeter and BC is a 6 centimeter. आता सगळ्यात बिगेस्ट आपण काय तर AC त्याने दिलेला आहे. सपोज दॅट AC हा काय असेल तर त्याचा डायगोनल असेल. आय विल ड्रॉइंग हियर. ओके, रफ स्केच आपण इथे काढू शकतो. दिस इज द AC and what is that? It is a 12 centimeter and here is a B. BC किती आहे? The 6 centimeter and it's a clear that हा right angle triangle आहे. The side opposite to angle 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, measure of angle A is a 30 degree. And what about the measure of angle C is a 60 degree. Side opposite to angle 60 is a root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. म्हणजेच किती येणार इथे? 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the measure of angle A आपल्याला त्याने विचारलेला आहे. The measure of angle A is 30 degree and hence the option A हा काय तर त्यातला correct आहे. It is a 30 degree. Now the next question. The diagonal of a square is a 10 root 2 centimeter. Then its a perimeter is. यापूर्वीच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये मी तुम्हाला एक फॉर्म्युला पण सांगितला होता की स्क्वेअरच्या बाबतीत draw the square here. त्याचा डायगोनल कसा असतो तर साईडच्या √2 टाइम्स असतो द स्क्वेअर and suppose that A is a side of the square. Okay, A is the side of the square. Then what about its a diagonal? Its a diagonal is a A into okay. आणि मग यामध्ये आपल्याला ओरली ते मिळू शकतं दॅट इज A into √2. This is a diagonal and that is equals to 10 √2. दोन्ही साईडचे √2 आपण इथे कट केले. Then A is equals to you get 10. आपल्याला पेरिमीटर विचारले. पेरिमीटर मीन्स व्हॉट सम ऑफ द ऑल द साइड्स. मग 4 into साइड्स म्हणजे किती येणार त्याचा पेरिमीटर. पेरिमीटर इज अ 40 सेंटीमीटर. दॅट इज अ 4 into A and that is equals to perimeter. Therefore P is equals to 4 into 10 and that is equals to 40 सेंटीमीटर. अतिशय फास्ट आणि ओरली ती आन्सर्स आहेत, परंतु जे सामान्य मुलं असतील त्यांना समजण्यासाठी मी हे लिहित आहे. Therefore its a perimeter is a 40 centimeter. Therefore the option D. Okay, option D, 40 centimeter. This is the correct one. Now the next question. Out of all numbers given dates, which is Pythagoras triplet? Okay. आता हा तर आहे. That is a 17 square means what? 289. 289 is equals to 15 square means what? 225 plus 64. And then this is the Pythagoras triplet. Okay. हा Pythagoras triplet आहे डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट वाला. What about the second? हा नाहीये 16 square. हे पण नाहीये and last is also not. Therefore the out of all the numbers given dates, which is the Pythagoras triplet, the first A is a correct one. That is 15, okay, 8 and 17. Okay, A Pythagoras triplet आहे. Next question. Next question, question number 1B. Solve the following question, 1 mark each. Height and base of a right angle triangle are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Okay. आता इथे आपल्याला लेंथ ऑफ त्याचा हायपोटेनस फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. सोल्युशन. Okay. If we draw the right angle triangle, the right angle triangle ABC, ABC. Then what is a height is 24 centimeter. Already answer is 24 centimeter. And what about its base? Base is 18 centimeter. Then what is AC? Then as this is a right angle triangle, therefore AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now AB square means what? 24 bracket square plus 18 bracket square. आता 24 चा स्क्वेअर किती येणार 596 प्लस 18 चा स्क्वेअर 324. If we add it, then what you will get? That is a 10, again 2 and 9. And 920. This is the AC square is equals to. Then you can find out its you can't get its square root, that is directly the number, and keep this as it is. That is equals to in root of 9 to 0. Okay. And म्हणजे तुम्ही इथे असं पण करू शकताय. That is a 4 into 230. Then its a square root is a 2 in root of 230. Okay. Keep this as it is. And therefore Therefore, the hypotenuse is, I will write here, hypotenuse is equals to in root of 920 centimeter, or you may have like this, that is a 2 into in root of 230 centimeter, and this is the answer. मला ते जसं पाहिजे असेल त्या फ्रेम मध्ये और रूट ऑफ 920 लिहिलं तरी तिथे चालू शकते. 1 मार्क्सचे क्वेश्चन्स आहे आणि पायथागोरस हे चॅप्टर सोपं आहे त्यासाठी. त्याच्यात फक्त 2-3च फॉर्म्युलेस वापरलेले. I will take the next question. Now here from given figure, in triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to BC, AB is equals to BC. Then what is the measure of angle A? Triangle ABC ha a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, measure of angle B is 90 degree. Isosceles triangle means what? The measure of angle A and the measure of angle both are equal, and sum of these two angle is 90. Therefore, measure of angle A is equals to, I will write here, measure of angle A is equals to 45 degree. Okay, तर तुम्ही या प्रकारे असं लिहू शकताय, that is a triangle ABC is a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, and angle A is equals to angle C. Now we'll write here the angles opposite to congruent sides. Okay, therefore as these two angles are equal, and therefore measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C, and that's equals to 180. Now as these two angles are measures equal, A and C, therefore we will write here measure of angle A plus B is a 90 degree. And what about the measure of angle C? त्याच्याबद्दल पण आपण measure of angle A इथे लिहिणार, and that's equals to 180 degree. जर सॉल्व करायचं असेल तर ते, therefore 2 times measure of angle A is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, and that's equals to 90 degree, and therefore measure of angle A is equals to 90 degree upon 2, and that is equals to 45 degree. And hence measure of angle A is equals to 45 degree. तुमचा मार्क्स नको कमी झाला पाहिजे, यासाठी आपण हे सर्व असं डिटेल मध्ये घेतलेले. आणि तुम्ही असं लिहू शकता की the right angle isosceles triangle, and therefore measure of angle A is equals to 45. एवढेच शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहिलं तरी ते चालू शकते. The next question बघा, from given figure, in triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to AB is a perpendicular to BC. Okay, and AC is equals to AC is equals to स्क्वेअरच्या बाबतीत आणि राईट अँगल आयसोसिलसच्या बाबतीत what is here? Here the hypotenuse, this hypotenuse is equals to root 2 into side. Okay. आणि मग इथे आपण त्या व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकतो. What is hypotenuse? That is a 2 root 2 is equals to root 2 into side, and therefore this root 2 get cancelled, and hence the side is equals to height part is त्याच्यातला. Or you may have as triangle ABC is right angle triangle, and therefore AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB square plus BC square. But AB and BC both are equal, and therefore AC means what? 2 root 2. It's a bracket square. AB, BC both are equal. Therefore, I will write here AB square plus AB square, and that's equals to 2 times AB square. Okay. And what is the square of this 2 root 2? It is a 4 into 2, and that is equals to 8 is equals to 2 times AB square, and therefore AB square, that is 8 upon 2, that is equals to 4, and hence AB is equals to, त्या प्रकारे पण तुम्ही तिथे ते सॉल्व करू शकताय. Okay, now we will take the next question. Now from the given figure, in triangle ABC, AB is again perpendicular to BC, AB and BC both are equal, and AC is equals to 5 root 2. Okay, मगाशीच मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला, that is in the right angle isosceles triangle. What's happening here? That is a hypotenuse. That is a AC is equals to root 2 into side. Okay, that is a hypotenuse is equals to, I will write hypotenuse is equals to root 2 into side. Okay, and therefore here AC is a 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is equals to root 2 into side. Now here root 2 get cancelled on both sides, and therefore side is equals to 5. Side is equals to 5 here. Means what? AB is 5 and BC is also 5. Then what we want to find out? The height. What is the height of this triangle? That is therefore height of triangle, height of triangle is equals to AB, and that's equals to 5, and that's it. Okay. Height is 5. Next question. Find the height of equilateral triangle having side 4 cm. Okay. यामध्ये this is the solution. Now here we consider the equilateral triangle, आणि डायरेक्ट त्यासाठी मी फॉर्म्युला पण लक्षात ठेवू शकता इथे. Suppose this is the equilateral triangle and he asks us the height. We draw the perpendicular. Okay, each angle is 60 degree and therefore this is also 60 degree. If we draw the perpendicular, then this will be 30 degree. Okay, and again this is also 90 and this is also 60 degree. Now ABC is the equilateral triangle. ABC is a equilateral triangle, and here the side of this triangle is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. Then what we want to find out? We want to find out this height, which is the AD, and again this AD is the side opposite to angle 60 degree, and therefore AD is equals to root 3 upon 2 into side. And what you can write here? That is by 30, 60, 90 here out. Okay, AD is equals to. Now we know this side, and therefore here I will write here AD is equals to root 3 upon 2 into 4, that is a 2 root 3, and it's a centimeter, and hence the height of the triangle. Therefore height of triangle is equals to 2 root 3 centimeter. Okay, 2 root 3 centimeter. This is the height. I will take the next question. Now in the next question, from the given figure, in triangle ABQ, AQ is equals to 8 centimeter. This is the 8 centimeter. Then what is AB? Now in triangle ABC, measure of angle Q is 30 degree, B is 90 degree, and therefore this must be the 60 degree. Okay. मग त्याला reasoning काय करणार? That is the sum of the triangles is 180. Now here AQ is equals to 8 centimeter. Now this triangle is a 30, 60, 90 degree, and we want to find out the AB. And the AB ही side कशी आहे? 30 ची opposite side आहे. Therefore I will write here that is a AB is equals to 1 upon 2 AQ. And what is the reasoning here? That is a by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Okay. Short. Okay. That is the side opposite to angle 30 degree is a half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to angle 60 degree is a root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. आणि मग ते सोपे. Therefore AB is equals to 1 upon 2 into 8, and that is equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore AB is equals to 4 centimeter, and this is the answer. Okay. तुमचा पेपर चांगला दिसण्यासाठी तुम्हाला असं त्याला स्क्वेअर वगैरे पण तिथे लावता येईल. Now we take the next question. Now the next question, in right angle triangle, if length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter, then what is the length of its base? Okay. Then we will have here the right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse किती आहे त्याचा? It's a 25 centimeter. And what is height? Height is a 7 centimeter. We want to find out the length of base. That is a base BC. Okay. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, I will write in short. By Pythagoras theorem, what's here? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now what is here? That is the 25 square is equals to AB is a 7 square plus BC square. 25 square means what? 625 minus 49 is equals to BC square, and therefore BC square is equals to 576, and therefore BC is equals to 24. Okay, BC is equals to 24, and hence the base. Therefore, base is equals to 24 centimeter, and this is the answer. Therefore, the base is a 24 centimeter. Okay, now we'll take the next question. If a triangle having side 50 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 48 centimeter, then state whether the given triangle is right angle triangle or not. Okay. Now the next question. If a triangle having the sides 50 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 48 centimeter, then state whether given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Okay. Now here we have the 50 square is equals to, so square is easy. Okay. Next 48 square. 48 square is equals to, and that is equals to 2, 3, 0, 4. And 14 square is equals to 196. Now here the 48 square plus 14 square, that is equals to 2304 plus 196. Okay, and that is equals to 2, 5, 0, 0, and that is equals to 50 square. Therefore, we'll write here the sum of squares of two sides of triangle, is equals to square of largest side, and therefore the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Therefore, the given triangle the given triangle is right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, easy question. Now we'll take the next question. If a triangle having side 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 17 centimeter, then state whether the given triangle is a right angle or not. Again, the same question. Solution. Okay. What are the smallest side? That is 8 and 15. Therefore, we have 8 square, that is a 64. 15 square, that is equals to 225, and 17 square, and that is equals to 289. Now the sum of the squares of these smaller sides, that is 8 square plus 15 square, that is equals to 64 plus 225, and that's equals to 289, and which is equals to 17 square. And therefore, given triangle, given triangle is a right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. By converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now we take the next question. Now the next question, a rectangle having the dimension 35 meter by 12 meter, then what is the length of its diagonal? Now the solution. Okay, now here we will have the rectangle, and A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, D, and one side is a 35 meter, another is a 12 meter. We want to find out its a diagonal. Okay, rectangle is a 12 meter. Now the triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem. What is here? AC square is equals to AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now AB is the 35 bracket square plus, and here is a 12 square. And what is the square of 35? That is Sophie Paddhati. That is a 5 square means of 25, and 3. That's the next number 4. 3 into 4. That is a 12 plus 144. And if we add it, then what you will get? That is a 9. First is, next is a 6, 3, and 1. And to find out the square root of this is a, that is a, it's a 37 square, and we want to find out the diagonal. Therefore, here is a AC square. This is the AC square. Therefore, AC is equals to 37. Okay, and hence the length of diagonal. Therefore, the length of diagonal is equals to 37 centimeter. Length of diagonal, sorry, length of, it is a meter. In meter. And we have this. You can see this the answer. Simple question. Now we'll take the next question. Now the question number 2A. Complete the following activities, 2 marks each. Write the complete answer and do not just fill the boxes. पूर्ण आन्सर तिथे लिहायचं असतं. From the given figure, in triangle ABC, AC is equals to 12. AC is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, means what? The hypotenuse. Then what is AB? Okay, now the activity. From the given figure, in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is a 90 degree, ACB is a 30, and therefore the measure of this angle BAC, and that's equals to 60 degree. Calculate the sum of the measures of angles of the triangles, and therefore here it is a 60 degree. Now the triangle ABC is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. In triangle ABC, by the property 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, that is side opposite to angle 30 degrees is a half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, AB is equals to 1 upon 2 AC, and side opposite to angle 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Therefore, here it is the BC. BC is equals to root 3 by 2 into AC. Now we'll substitute the value. That is here we want to find out. I will write here AB. इथे आपण AB लिहिणार पुन्हा. AB is equals to 1 upon 2 into 12, and BC is equals to root 3 by 2 into 12. And therefore, again 1 upon 2 into 12 means what? 6. And therefore, here AB is equals to 6, and BC 2 1s and 2 6 12. That is a 6 root 3. BC is a 6 root 3. Simple fill in the blanks. आणि 2 मार्कला पायथागोरस मधली ऍक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजेच तुम्हाला चांगले मार्क्स येते मिळू शकतात. ओके, नाउ विल टेक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Second, from the given figure in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC, what is here? AD is a perpendicular to BC. AD is a perpendicular to BC. Then prove that, what is it to prove that? AB square plus CD square, AB square plus CD square is equals to BD square plus AC square. Okay, by completing the activity. Now what's we have given? AD is a perpendicular to BC. The AD ha BC la किती कसा आहे? The perpendicular, and here we get the right angle triangles. Now the activity. From the given figure in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, ABC मध्ये A, B, C. Okay. तर इथे ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये लिहिताना तिथे रॉंग झालेलं आहे. दॅट इज वी कन्सिडर हिअर द ट्रायंगल A, D, C instead of T. Here you must write here D. Okay. क्वेश्चन बैंक मध्ये थोडी रॉंग मिस्टेक आहे. Okay, ADC. Therefore, AC square in triangle ADC. This is right angle triangle. AC is the hypotenuse. AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. And here I will write here CD square. Okay. And therefore AD square is equals to AC square minus CD square. And this is the first one. Next we consider the triangle ABD. ABD. And now again this is also a right angle triangle, and AB is the hypotenuse. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square, and here it is a AD square. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square, and therefore AD square is equals to AB square minus BD square. This is number 2. Okay. Now हे दोन जर बघितले आपण 1 and 2, AD square is equals to AC square minus CD square, and again AD square is equals to AB square minus BD square. आता इथे काय लिहिलं असेल? that is AB square minus BD square, आणि इथे AC square minus CD square. The first of all I will write here, this is the AB square, and what about here? AC square minus इथे किती असणार आहे? then it is a CD square. Okay. आणि नंतर मग त्याने काय केलं? हे निगेटिव्ह या बाजूला गेला, हा निगेटिव्ह त्या बाजूला आला. then here you will get AB square plus CD square is equals to AC square plus BD square. And in this way we have completed this activity, simple activity. This is the triangle ABC. AD is a perpendicular to BC. We consider the two right angle triangles, and then we substitute. Now we take the next question. Question number 3. From the given figure in triangle ABC, if angle ABC is a 90 degree, okay, it's a given. Angle CAB that is a 30. AC is equals to this is equals to 40. Okay. For finding the value of AB and BC, complete the following activity. Okay. And now, as this measure of this angle is 30 degree and this is the 90, therefore the sum of the measures of triangle angles of the triangles is 180. म्हणून याचे measure किती असेल? Its a measure is a 60 degree. Okay. Now see this here in triangle ABC, BCA, and that is equals to here 60 degree आपल्याला BCA by the theorem 30, 60, 90. Okay, triangle. Then what is here? Is 1 upon 2 AC by 30 समोरची side. That is a BC is equals to 1 upon 2 AC. Therefore, I will write here BC. BC is equals to 1 upon 2 AC. And opposite 60. Here is AB. AB is equals to root 3 by 2 AC. Okay. And therefore, BC is equals to 1 upon 2 AC. But what is the AC here? AC किती दिला आपल्याला? 14 दिलेला. I will write here 14. Okay. AB is equals to root 3 by 2. Again here 14. And if we simplify here, that is a BC is equals to 7 and AB is equals to 7 root 3. विषय सोपी ऍक्टिव्हिटी ती आणि पायथागोरसची ऍक्टिव्हिटी आल्यानंतर मला तिथे चांगले मार्क्स मिळू शकतात. ओके. टेक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. From the given figure in triangle MNK, okay, in triangle MNK, what's happening? Measure of angle MNK is equals to 90 degree, and measure of angle M is a 45, and therefore measure of angle K is also 45. Okay, that is the sum of the measures of angles of triangles is 180. How 45, 90, how must be 45. Okay. Now in triangle MNK, measure of angle MNK is a 90, measure of angle M is a 45. This is given. Then what about here? It's a 45. That is the remaining angle of triangle MNK. By the theorem 45, 45, 90 triangle. What? Okay. That then in this triangle, that is the MN is equals to. Okay. I will write here MN. This is first one. आणि या बाजूला काय असेल तर NK असेल. This is the NK. MN is equals to 1 upon root 2. What is the value of this here? आपल्याला किती दिली त्याने? MK. The value of MK is 6 here. Therefore, I will substitute here MK. Here 6. आणि नंतर मग ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. Okay, कसं simplification? 1 upon root 2. I will write here 1 upon root 2 into 6. Now to simplify this, that is a multiplied n and d by root 2. जे याच्या numerator and numerator root 2 ने multiply करणार. Okay. Now root 2 into root 2, that is a 2. That is 6 root 2 upon 3. And here we will get 3. Okay, and both the sides have the same, that is a 3 root 3. पुन्हा अतिशय सोपी ऍक्टिव्हिटी. I will take the next question. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Okay, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Complete the activity. Okay. A ladder of 10 meter long. Okay, 10 meter long. This is the 10 meter long. Reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. म्हणजे ती ladder consider केली आणि इथे P च्या ठिकाणी काय असणार ते window. It reaches here 8 meter. Then what we want to find out? Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Q is the base. This is the foot of the ladder. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय तर QR फाइंड आउट करायचंय. ओरली आपल्याला इथे 6 मीटर येणार आहे इथे. ओके, इझी क्वेश्चन आहे. PR is the length of the ladder at P window, okay, and at Q the base of the wall at R foot of the ladder. PQ is equals to 6 meter. त्याने दिलेलाच आन्सर. We want to find out the QR. Wrong झालंय त्याचं. PQ is equals to 8 meter पाहिजे. Question bank मध्ये देताना असते. So we want to find out the QR. Okay. In triangle ABC, measure of angle PQR is a 90 degree. Therefore, PR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. QR square. Easy question. PR is 10. Okay. PR is equals to 10 and PQ that is equals to 8. 8 linear. Therefore, from the equation 1, substitute the value. That is a PQ is 8 and QR square, that is the 10 square, and here 100. Here you will get 36. Take the square root on both sides. QR is equals to 6. Therefore, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is a 6 meter. Okay. Easy question, I thought. Now we'll take the next question. From the given figure in triangle ABC, if AD is a perpendicular to BC, AD is a perpendicular to BC, angle C is a 45. Here angle C, this is equals to 45 degree. Angle C is a 45. What about the next? AC is equals to 8 root 2. AC is equals to 8 root 2. Okay. AC is 8 root 2. BD is equals to 5. This is the BD, that's equals to 5. Then for finding the value of AD and BC, AD and what is next? AD and BC, complete the activity. Okay. Now we will complete this activity. That is, in triangle ADC, measure of angle ADC is 90, measure of angle C is 45, and therefore measure of angle DAC, this is also 45. That is sum of the measures of angles of triangles is 180, and that is the remaining angle. Therefore, here we write here 45. Okay. Now the next is, by the theorem 45, 45, 90 triangle. Then what about that is equals to, find out the values. That is AD is equals to 1 upon root 2 into AC. AD is equals to, and DC is equals to, here I will write here AD. आणि इथे किती लिहिणार आपण, तर ते DC घेणार इथे. हा DC इथे आहे. This is DC and this is AD. Okay. Therefore, AD is equals to 1 upon root 2 AC. What is the value of AC? AC is the 8 root 2. It has given 8. And here, root 2 cancel. And here, DC is equals to 1 upon root 2 into 8 root 2. And root 2 get cancelled. AD is equals to 8 and DC is equals to also 8. Okay. As AD is 8, AD is equals to 8. And the DC is equals to 8. Therefore, we want to find out the BC, and therefore BC is equals to 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, and that is equals to 30. Okay. Fill in the blanks with 1, 2, 3, 4. अतिशय सोपी activity होती. Now we'll take the next activity. Complete the following activity to find length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. If sides of right angle triangle are 9 cm and the 12 cm. Okay. That is in triangle PQR. Measure of angle PQR is 90 degree. And therefore by the Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square. QR square. That is, therefore, PR square is equals to 9 square plus 12 square. Okay, 9 square plus 12 square. 9 square is a 81. Right here, 81. Okay, 81 plus 144, and that is a 2, 2, 5. Now we'll take this, it's a square root, and therefore PR is equals to 50. And hence the length of hypotenuse of a triangle PQR is equals to 15 centimeter. Easy question for it. Now we'll take the next question. पुढचा प्रश्न घेणार. From the given figure in triangle PQR, from the given figure in triangle PQR, if QPR is equals to 90, PM is perpendicular to QR, PM is equals to 10. I will write here PM is equals to 10, QM is equals to 8. Okay. Then for finding the value of QR, complete the following activity. Okay. Complete here. That is, in triangle PQR, if angle QPR is equals to 90, PM is perpendicular to QR, this is given, then by Pythagoras, that is a PQM, that is PM square plus PM square plus QM square. QM square is equals to PQ square. Okay. Now we substitute the value. PQ square is equals to, what is we have given? That is, PM is 10 and QM is 8. The value substitute केले थे. इथे 8 square, इथे किती येणार 10 चा square, and therefore here you will get 100 plus 64, and that is equals to 164, and therefore PQ is equals to root of 164. Now in a right angle triangle, या right angle triangle मध्ये जेव्हा आपण असं perpendicular draw करत असतो hypotenuse वर, then all these three right angle triangles are similar to each other, and therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. त्याने आपल्याला दिलं जे कोणत्याही प्रकारचं 1-1 correspondence नको आहे तिथे. Now here we consider the triangle QMP is similar to triangle PMR. Okay. Therefore, first he said that PM upon RM is equals to QM upon PM, and therefore PM square is equals to RM into QM. What is the PM? PM is again 10, and therefore 10 square is equals to RM into 8. That is 100 upon 8. Okay. At 100 upon 8 we will find out its value. 100 upon 4 जर केला तर तो किती होतो? 25, and 100 upon 8 means what? It's a 12.5. Okay. 100, that is a, or you can take 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2 fraction मध्ये काही टाकणार नाही ते, and QR is equals to QM plus MR. Now we know the value of this MR, that is RM. त्याची value किती आली? 25 upon 2. Okay. And what about the QM? The value of QM. QM किती आहे? तर 8 आहे. इथे आपण तो 8 लिहिणार. Now we'll add it. That is a 8, that is a 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 25, and that is equals to 41 upon 2. And this is the value of this QR. Simple question is so normal. आपल्याला त्यामधल्या fill in the blanks करायचे आहेत. Okay, you can see this also. Now the next question. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter. Complete the activity. 16, that's the length with it. This is the 16 centimeter. Okay. And its area is a 192 square centimeter. As shown in the figure, quadrilateral LMNT is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equals to, again, the what's its a length? Its length is a 60, and okay, area of rectangle length into breadth. पुन्हा आपल्याला इथे मला असं वाटतं 16 इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करावं लागणार आहे. Length into breadth डबल डबल झालाय सारखं वाटतंय ते, and that's equals to 16 सबस्टिट्यूट करता येईल, त्याला ऑप्शन दुसरा काहीच नाही. Okay, and therefore 16 192 upon 16, that is equals to breadth, and therefore the also the breadth is equals to the 12 centimeter. Next, also the angle TLM is equals to 90. What is it? Angle TLM, that is equals to 90 degree. And again by the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? TM square, this is the TM square is equals to TL square plus LM square. LM square is LM square. What is your TL? That is the TL is equals to 12. Here the breadth is a 12. TL is a 12. This is also 12. Okay. That is a 12 square, and next is a LM square. But what is the LM? LM is equals to, that is a 16. Definitely 16 dinner. 16 square. And what is a 16 square? That is a 256. Their total is 400, and therefore TM is equals to 20. Easy activity is it. तुम्हाला ते सहज जमू शकणार आहे. I will take the next question. In triangle LMN, okay, L is equals to 5, M is equals to 13, and N is equals to 12. Then complete the activity to show that whether the given triangle is a right angle or not. Okay, LMN are the opposite sides of angle L, angle M, angle N respectively. Okay, in triangle, what is your LMN? L is equals to 5, M is equals to 13, and what about the next side? N is equals to 12. म्हणजे फक्त नॉर्मल आपल्याला बघून बघून तिथे लिहायचं आहे. L square means what? That is the 5 square. It is a 25. M square, that is 169. 13 square. N square, 12 square म्हणजे 144. L square plus N square. L square plus N square. That is a 25 plus 144, and that's equals to 169. And therefore we have here L square plus, here is the N square. That is N square plus L square is equals to M square, and therefore by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle LMN is a right angle triangle. Now we take the activity with it. We'll take the next question. Now the question number 3B. Solve the following questions, 3 marks each. As shown in the figure, angle DFE is equals to 90. FG is perpendicular to ED. GD is equals to 8. Here is 8. Okay. Next, FG, that is equals to 12. Okay. Then find EG. Now what's happening in triangle DEF? FG is a perpendicular to DE, and therefore triangle DEF is a right angle, and therefore by the theorem of geometric mean, by I will write first of all by theorem of geometric mean, geometric mean. FG square is equals to GD square, FG square is equals to GD into EG. Okay. Now here FG means what? It is a 12 square, and that's equals to GD. GD means what? 8, and EG is a E and G. 12 square means what? It is a 144 upon 8, and that's equals to EG. Okay. And therefore EG is equals to, divide it, then you will get 18. Therefore EG is equals to 18 आपल्याला इथे मिळालं. Okay. Next what we want to find out? FD. Okay. आता EG झालं. Next FD, that is in triangle. In triangle G DGF DGF, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore DF square is equals to DF square is equals to, this is the DF square is equals to GD square plus GF square. And now GD square. Okay. What is a GD? GD is a 8 square. And next is a GF square, that is a 12 square. 8 square is a 64 plus 144. And here 144 plus 64, and that's equals to here 208, and याचे देखील आपल्याला फॅक्टर्स करता येतील. दॅट इज अ 16 into 13 आपण असं करू शकतो. Or we can write here first of, therefore DF square, this is the DF square. Therefore DF is equals to in root of 208, and that is equals to in root of 16 into 13, and therefore DF is equals to 4 root of, this is the DF. Okay, or FD, and therefore च्या भाषेत आपल्याला लिहायचं असेल, that is FD is equals to 4 root of 13. What about the next? Next we want to 4 root of 13. Next we want to find out EF. त्यासाठी आपण ट्रायंगल कुठला EFG कन्सिडर करणार. In triangle EFG by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What is here? EF square is equals to EF square is equals to EF square is equals to EG square plus FG square. EG square plus FG square. Okay. Now what is the EG? EG is 18 and 12. 18 square plus 12 square. 18 square जर आपण इथे घेतला, that is equals to 324 and 12 square, which is the 144. Now 324 plus 144, that is a 4, 6, 8, and this is the EF square. Again we can write here, that is the EF is equals to root of 468 and that is equals to 36 into 13. Now what is the square root of 36? That is equals to 6 root of 13, and this is the value of EF. Okay, we have completed this, and therefore the answer EG is 18. Right here lastly, EG, that is equals to 18. Okay, next FD, 4 root of 13, and last EF is equals to 6 root of 13. Okay, and hence this is the answer. I will take the next question once again. You can see this here. Complete Pythagoras आपण throughout the day वापरत असतो. EFच आपल्याला शेवटी द्यायचा आहे. That is a 6 root of 13. Now we'll take the next question. Next question. A congruent side of an isosceles right angle triangle is 7 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now here the solution. Okay. Now here we consider the right angle isosceles triangle. Okay. This is triangle A, B, C. Okay. And the congruent sides, that AB is equals to BC, and therefore the 7 centimeter, also 7 centimeter. In triangle, so solution in triangle ABC, measure of angle B is equals to 90 degree, and AB is equals to BC, and therefore AB is equals to BC. Therefore, the measure of angle A is equals to measure of angle C. Okay. measure of angle C, and that is equals to 45 degrees. As these two, what is the reason? That is the angle angle opposite to angle opposite to congruent sides of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, ठीक आहे. हे तरी लिहिलं तर चालेल. And therefore we have here the AC is equals to root 2 into AB. That is the theorem by 45 90. ओके, त्यानुसार आपल्याला ते फाइंड आउट करता येईल. And therefore AC is equals to root 2 into 7. Here AC. Therefore AC is equals to 7 root 2. Okay, and therefore the perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. 7 root 2 of 7. Here AB is a 7, BC is a 7, and last is also 7 root 2, and therefore that is equals to 14 plus 7. Okay, तुम्ही इथे कॉमनही काढू शकता. That is equals to 7 in bracket 2 plus root 2. Okay, and therefore the perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to 7 in bracket 2 plus root 2 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now the next question. For once again, you can see this answer. I will take the next question. Solve the following question. It's a challenging question. 4 marks. Okay. As shown in the figure, LK is equals to 6 root 2. LK is equals to 6 root 2. Okay. What about the next? Now in triangle MLK, what is here? The measure of angle MKL is a 30 degree, and this will be the 60 degree. Okay. Now we know the side opposite to angle 60 degree. Then we can find out the MK. Therefore, I will write here MK is equals to, okay, MK is equals to, it's a, sorry, here. Instead of MK, I will write here that is a LK is equals to. LK is equals to means what? Side opposite to angle 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 into the hypotenuse, which is the MK. Okay, K is given up, that is by 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree theorem. That is side opposite to angle 60 degree is a root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Now here LK is a 6 root 2. LK आपण किती दिला? 6 root 2 and that is equals to root 3 upon 2 here MK, and hence MK is equals to इथे product आपण करणार तिथे, that is 6 into root 2 again into 2 and this divided by root 3. What about their product? That is a 12 root 2 upon root 3. पुन्हा आपण हे evaluate करू शकतो. We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 and here you will get root 3 upon root 3, that is a 3, 12 root 2 into root 3 is divided by, and if we evaluate simplify it, then you will get here, that is a MK is equals to 4 in bracket root 2 into root 3, that we can write here root 6. Therefore, MK is equals to 4 root 6. Here 4, here 4 root 6. Next we will find out the ML. ML पाहिजे आपल्याला, and ML ही साइड कशी आहे तर 30 च्या ऑपोजिट आहे. Therefore here ML is equals to ML is equals to 1 upon 2 the hypotenuse, which is the MK. MK. And what is the reason here? Look at here again by the 30, 60, 90 theorem. Since by 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 theorem. That is a side opposite to angle 30 is half of the hypotenuse and MK is a 4 root 6. Okay, therefore ML is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 root 6 and that is equals to 2 root 6, and therefore ML is equals to 2 root 6. ML is equals to 2, yeah, I will write here 2 root 6. Okay. Now next is we want to find out Mn. Okay, Mn is the hypotenuse of the triangle MNK. But what about here? This measure of angle N is 45, K is 90, and therefore measure of this angle M is also 45 degree. Therefore the triangle MNK is a right angle isosceles triangle, and therefore we can find out this value of the Mn. Therefore, in triangle M and K, M and K, measure of angle N M K, measure of angle N N M K, that is equals to 45 degree. Okay, that is the remaining angle of triangle. Okay, and it's a 45, and therefore we can find out here Mn is equals to, I will write here Mn is equals to Mn is equals to, that is equals to Mn is equals to root 2 into this side, which is the side Mk, 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 and what is the Mk here? Mk is a 4 root 6, that is equals to root 2 into 4 6, and that's equals to 4 root 2 into root 6, that is equals to 4 in root of 2 into 6, that is a root of 12, and that's equals to 4. Again, the root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3, that is a 4 into 2 into root 3, that is a 8 root 3. And hence Mn is equals to Mn is equals to 8, the 8 root 3. Okay, these are the sides. Therefore, the first of all, किती किती आलं होतं 4 root 8, sorry, 8 root 3, 8 root 3. I will write here the sides. First is Mk. What is here? Mk 4 root 6. Therefore, Mk is equals to 4 root 6. This is the first one. Mk 4 root 6. Then Ml. Ml is 2 root 6. Ml is a 2 root 6. Ml is equals to root 6. Ml is equals to 2 root 6, and last is a Mn. Mn is equals to 8. Okay, and these are the sides. ते fractions आहेत, त्यामुळे calculation ला थोडंसं अवघड येते Mk, but we know the property. First of all, पुन्हा मी ते repeat करणे आहे. That is Lk is equals to 6 root 2, and it is a side opposite triangle 60 degree. Therefore, Lk is equals to root 3 by 2 Mk. That's 6 root 2 root 3 by 2, and that is Mk. Therefore, Mk is equals to 6 root 2 into 2 upon root 3, that is a 12 root 2 upon root 3, multiplied n and d by root 3, then root 3 into root 3, that is a 3, and 12 upon 3, that is a 4, 4 into root 2 into root 3, that is a root 2 into root 3 is a root 6, and this is the first value Mk. Next, ML. ML is the side opposite to angle 30 degree and it is the half of the hypotenuse. मग किती असेल ती? That is it's a 2 root 6, this one. And the lastly, we find out the value of Mn. My Mn ची value, that is we consider, that is the Mnk is the measure of angle NMK, that is equals to 45. एक already आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. And therefore NMK, that is also 45. And therefore by 45, 45, 97. That is the Mn is equals to root 2 into Mk. Okay. That is the hypotenuse is equals to root 2 into this side. Okay. Root 2 into Mk. But what is the Mk? Mk is a 4 root 6. Okay. Mk is a 4 root 6. That is a 4 root 2 into root 6. That is the root of 2 into 4. That is a 12. Okay. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 is a square root किती आला तर 2. 4 into 2, 8, 8 root 3. And hence, this is the answer. Now we can have this answer. Okay. This is the answer. The final answer. Okay. And in this way, we have completed the question bank on Pythagoras. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.